Hey, how you doing, everybody? It's John here again, and today we're having a look at the Amphitrite Lighthouse, just out of Ucluelet, and it's a bit foggy, so you can actually hear it in action. How about that, eh? Oh, a real foghorn. Cool. Let's go take a look. All right, well, let's take a look here. Coastal waves. There are big waves that show up every now and again. Pretty unpredictable. All right, I'll pause for a second. Okay, wow. Okay, well, here we go. This is part of the Wild Pacific Trail. It is definitely a little socked in. There's some of the creatures you may spot along here. Ooh, mist and mystery, eh? Ooh. Let's take a little bit of a look down the trail here. This is what the Wild Pacific Trail is. A really, really nice trail. See out there in the mist, the waves smashing over those rocks. Oh. Not the greatest view today, but there you go. Look at that. Okay, well, we're a little further along here. And these crazy trees. An easy place to grow. Holy cow. That'll tell you what sea foam is. Tons of food. There you go. This is nice. Here we go. All right, look at this. Now there's a view. So this is not far from where the lighthouse is. There's a bench and everything. Look at that. Just beautiful. Wow. All right, we got a Coast Guard copter taking off. Check that out. That was cool. Okay, wow. Just take a little look around the corner here. Mobility-wise, this is pretty good so far. There's a few routes here and there, and a few spots where, you know, the viewpoints are a little bit sketchier, but all in all, not too bad. You certainly get a great view. Even if you just go over by the lighthouse and that's it. Like, holy cow, it's just beautiful. Just pop down this viewpoint. Really, really beautiful spot. All right, well, we're just heading out the other side away from the lighthouse. Just to take a look at what's down the old trail here. Such a beautiful trail. If you're in Ucluelet, I mean, really, you got to check this place out. It's just, it's almost obligatory that you come out here. And somebody we met in town said that, you know, you can come out here at sunset as well, but you got to watch where the gate is. I don't know. Sounds a little sketchy to me, but sure. Okay. Well, we'll just wander a little farther. What an incredible spot. All right, look at this. What a spot. Just a beautiful, beautiful place. All right, well, there you go. This is a Wild Pacific Trail out here in Ucluelet, and it is stunning. What a place. You got to get yourself out here and take a look. It is wonderful. And hey, thanks so much for coming out with me again. I sure do appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.